Good afternoon, and welcome to Cooking Adventures with Karen, where I share my love of cooking with you. Today I'm making vanilla buttercream using unsalted butter, pure vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and a whole lot of love, along with a special surprise at the end. So stay tuned as I show you how I make vanilla buttercream. In my cottage food kitchen in Minnesota, I am not allowed to thin buttercream with milk or cream. So this is a little bit different from traditional recipes. I only thin my buttercream with vanilla extract or water when needed. I start by adding 4 sticks of unsalted butter to the bowl of my 5-quart mixer and attach the paddle attachment to cream the butter. I cream the butter for 2 to 3 minutes before the first addition of powdered sugar. Today I am using our family powdered sugar, which can be purchased at Vandal's Family Market located in Blooming Prairie, Minnesota, but any powdered sugar will do. Before the addition of more powdered sugar, I scrape the bottom and sides of the bowl and then add another 1 to 1.5 cups. I use pure vanilla extract to flavor my buttercream. A link will be provided in the description to the kind I use. I add 5 to 7 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract to my buttercream to provide a well-balanced flavor. Taste your buttercream as you're making it, so you make sure that you have enough extract in there. As I said in my intro, I only thin my buttercream with vanilla extract or water due to Minnesota cottage food laws. If you think buttercream is too sweet, it's okay to add a dash of salt to your buttercream. I prefer buttercream sweet because that's the way it was intended. I beat my buttercream for 5 minutes to whip the air out of it. It should be up the sides of the bowl and the paddle if it is fully whipped. I'm taking about half of the buttercream out of the bowl and adding some Wilton heart sprinkles along with little circle sprinkles to make a fun little treat. Introducing confetti cookies with vanilla buttercream.